Hi everybody, I hope you're all well. This lesson I thought we would just sort of continue naturally from last time. You remember we did all the grasses and foliage last time. Well, this time we're going to add some flowers to it. I've just stuck a few little orange ones on there. I was going to show you how I made those. They're pretty basic. So if you cut out a little shape like that, like I guess a petal sort of shape, and then just snip a few triangles out of the top. And then you have a little flower, so I'm just going to stick that on there. So we've just changed that nice green foliage into something a bit more cheerful and bright. Then I did these three quite simple ones. I don't know if you remember, but I did this rose ages ago, weeks and weeks ago, right near the beginning. And I basically made that up of a little moon-shaped petal. So I cut out, I don't know, maybe 10 or 15 of those, but I used different pinks. So, you know, there's some darker petals and some lighter ones. And then you can see I just put a little dot in the middle for the center of the flower and added some simple leaves. This one was really basic. I just cut out 3 petal shapes and stuck them onto a stem. I haven't added any leaves yet. And this one I have showed you before. Basically you cut out a circle and then cut out these little triangle shapes at regular intervals around the edge, and then I put on a different coloured centre. And you could, you know, you could embellish these and you could put some little stamen in there or some little dots or add more leaves. You can, you know, use your imagination and go for it with these. Look around your gardens, like I said before, or the local park. And here's the last one I did. So the stem and the petals, and then I cut out all of these red petals. They're all slightly different reds, which makes the flower a bit more interesting, but they've all got the same kind of printed pattern on them. And then I just cut out these little orange bits for the center of the flower and randomly stuck them on. I hope you can see that okay. So have some fun with flowers. It's quite handy to look at maybe Instagram or Pinterest for ideas and inspiration, and then just look around you when you're out and you'll find fun things to do, and make sure you keep them so we can use them for our communal collage when we get together. Okay, thank you, bye.